Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from GlobeIn. If you're not familiar with GlobeIn, they're a fair trade subscription box company whose mission is to alleviate poverty through job creation and steady employment. So the way they do that is each month they have several curated boxes, and the items inside are handmade by artisans all over the world. So it's a really cool idea. You can also add add-ons to your box, and the one I selected is called Color Your World. So it's supposed to have these different pictures and drinking glasses and cutting board. I just am in love with glass stuff, and I just thought this was so pretty. So the card's on the inside, and then it tells you who made it and where it's from. So the iced tea pitcher is from Mexico, and so are the wine glasses. And then there's a chopping board from India and a wood spatula from India as well. So really cool. You could also scan the QR code to find out more information about the items in your box. They also gave me a promo code, so if you guys would like to join, I'll put that in the description box, and that will get you 50% off your first box if you're buying a 3-month or more subscription. So let's dig in. Very nicely wrapped. This must be the cutting board. Made in India. Perfect size too. Nice wooden board, real smooth. Definitely will use that. Very pretty. This must be the spatula. Yeah, that's cool. So neat. It's fun when you see like actual handcrafted stuff from other countries. Cool. These are probably wine glasses, and I will need to grab a scissor real quick, or maybe not. Actually, that worked because it was hanging over a little bit. Ooh, these are really thick too. Those are beautiful. Oh, I love that so much. I've always had a fascination with glass, specifically anything that's like colored or vintage looking. I just love it. That is so pretty. And it's real thick, and you can tell it's good quality and durable. Made in Mexico. So there's 2 of those. I'll go ahead and open this one too. So the second one is identical. I'll have to insert some better pictures too at the end. I feel like the lighting's not good in here. And then the pitcher. All right, I've relocated since I got the big box out of the way. Oh, that was so pretty. I love that. We have a really cool bar downstairs in the new house, so I'm going to have these on display. So pretty. Very cool. So like I said, you can see ahead of time what the curated boxes are available that month. So if you guys are interested, I will put a link below and that promo code. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.